What is up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and today we're actually gonna be doing something a little bit different. Today I got over here a box, and this box my friends at Auxito, these are gonna be totally different. They reached out to me and say, hey, you know what, you want to try out these LED lights? And these LED lights, they're actually for one of my cars. I actually needed to upgrade the ones from my Mitsubishi Lancer because I was planning to doing so. So they went ahead and sent me these headlights right here. So at this time, before I show this to you, please go ahead and consider subscribing and turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. If you want to support the channel, you know, there's a link down in the description. And other than that, let's open this thing up real quick. So these are the lights that they sent me. These are the LED light M3, and this is their name, Auxito. By the way, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description below, as well as a promo code so that you can get 15% off, mtbalexled. Make sure you type in that code whenever you go to the website, and you will get an additional 15% off this type of LED lights. By the way, they have many different LED lights to suit almost any car. So this is really well packaged, and over here on the side it has all the different lights that they have, and they even mark the ones that I bought, and these are the 9005 or HB3 LED headlights, and this is supposed to be a bolt-on fit for my Mitsubishi Lancer. Box is really nice and good. Even comes with a manual. Follow Auxito, and these are the lights. And as by the way I can see this, these are really well done. They even have a fan and at the bottom so that they can breathe and get all the heat out so they won't overheat. So all we gotta do is install this on the car and see how they perform. Let's go ahead and do just that right away. So this thing has the inner ones are gonna be the high beams, and the outside are gonna be the low beams. Let me show you. Low beams, high beams. High beams, low beams. And of course you have the fog lights. My fog lights, they're already LED. So right here on the headlight, to make it easier, you could remove these bolts. I'm gonna try not to do that. They seem to be like 10 millimeter. I'll try not to do that, but I can see that over here there's a little cap that I can should be able to just twist, and this thing pops off. And I don't know how well you can see, but here's the light. Should come right off. Right there. So with the light out of the way, all you gotta do is press this pin or lift it up. This comes right out. And as you can see, they're the same right here, so it's just plug and play. I'll just go ahead and you can see the little fan right there. That's what I was talking about. This is gonna prevent overheating altogether. Then you can just put it back in there where it goes. Put the cover back on. I guess it would have been easier if I would have taken the whole assembly out, but it is still doable. There you go. I know it's daylight, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on anyway so you can see the brightness anyway, and I will show you how it actually looks when you're driving at night. That's high beam right there. Oh my god, for even being daylight, it's a little bit too glossy right here. But you gotta believe me, it looks way better in person than in camera. This thing is gonna be bright. There you go. That's the old, well, that's the original low beam on the right. And you can see how white that is. This is 6500 Kelvin compared to the yellow one right there. So if we zoom in, you can clearly see the difference right there. So I'm gonna take this for a test drive and show you the difference on the stock high beams and the new high beams, so you can see how different it looks. So that's how you install the high beams on your Mitsubishi Lancer. If you don't want to take the headlight assembly, all you gotta do is twist it off. It's a little bit, especially on the passenger side, it's a little bit tight in there, but you can make it happen without taking the assembly off. Again, these are the Auxito LED lights specifically for the high beam on a Mitsubishi Lancer. They sent me the 9005 HB3, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same for any 9th generation Lancer from anywhere from 2009 to, I don't know what was the last year they stopped making them. If it's not a projector headlight, this should work. I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit in many other different makes and models, but just do your research, order them online. You can use my code mtbalexled and get a 15% off your product. And you can see that code and the affiliate link below. And that is currently the high beams, the original ones. Low beams, high beams. Now these are the high beams now. Way better. 100 times better than the stock yellow ones. This is really good. That's how they look at night. Make sure you check it out, because they actually look pretty darn awesome. So I'll be able to travel long trips or anything like that on my Lancer, and it should be no big of a deal. Other than that is gonna be it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. That's it for this one, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.